Welcome to Mr. Math Academy. Grow your math brain.
Hello friends, welcome back to Mr. Math Academy. So in this video we'll discuss one more numerical which is based on the matrix operations here. So which is having a matrix addition, matrix subtraction, scalar multiplication and the matrix multiplication here. So this is also one of the important numerical based on the examination point of view. So that is what he has given is we need to find out. He has given the matrix A is given, so which is of order 3 cross 3 here. So he has given the 3 cross 3 order, matrix order. So we need to find out the a square minus 5a plus 6 into I. So now before going into the complete solution here, we'll just consider one each single part here. So means what? First I'll multiply, means I'll simplify what is the a square here. So let us consider a square is equal to what? Which is of a into a. Okay. So this a into a means take the same matrix here. It's a 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. So this is a matrix A. So multiply with the same matrix A here. So 2 0 1 2 1 3, so 1 minus 1 0. Okay. So in the previous all the videos we have done the how we can do the matrix multiplication here. So how to do the matrix multiplication? So only thing is what? Consider the first row and first column element. We have to write it in the first place. Again take the first row, second column, again first row, third column, which comes in the first row, first element, second element and the third element. Again when you are considering the second row, first column, second column, third column, we have to write in a second row, first column, that is the second row, first element, second row, second column element, second row, third element. Like that again we have to take the third row, first, second, third, means in the third row it should have been that it's a third row, first, second and third element. So this how the matrix multiply, we have to multiply the elements. So now directly we'll go to the matrix multiplication here. So I'll just take this values here, this 2 into 2 here, I'll just take 2 into 2 plus this 0 we have to multiply with 2, again this 1 with 1 here. So this is the first element because the first row, first column, it has to become in a first row, first column element. Again the first row, second column, so means it has to place somewhere here. So finally this is 2 into 0 plus, so 0 into 1, again this 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1. Okay, that will be the second. And again for the third row, take the first row, third column element. I'll just write somewhere here itself. Okay, so that it will be easy. So it becomes 2 into 1. So that is 2 into 1, 0 into 3, and again the 1 into 0. So this covers the first row, third elements here. You just see here up to here it's only a single, that is the first element here. So this is second element, this is the third element. Again we have to follow the same procedure here. Consider the second row, first column, second column, third column as well. Just place it in the same positions here. Now I'll go for the second row here, 2 into 2 plus, so this 1 into 2 here, so again 3 into 1. So again at the same point we have to add the terms here. Okay, now this will be the first element is over. Again consider the second row with second column element. So it becomes 2 into 0 plus, so this 1 with 1 here, that is 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1. Okay, now this completes here. Again the same second row with third element, we have to write in a second row, third element, 2 into 1, again plus 1 into 3, again 3 into 0. So that will be the second row, second column elements are over. Now again the third row with columns here, just keep it in the same positions here. So 1 into this 2 here plus this minus 1 into 2 plus this is 0 into 1. This part is all. Again the same third row and the second column, it has come here somewhere here. So 1 into 0 it will be there plus minus 1 into 1. So again this 0 into minus 1. So this 0 into minus 1 is 1. Now again the same third row with third column element, again it has to come in a third row, third column element. So this 1 into 1, so this minus 1 into 3 here. So again this 0 into 0. So this is somewhat the simplification here. Now after this the sum that is the simplification is very simple here. This is 2 plus 2, directly I will write here. This is 2 to the 4 plus 0, and again this is also plus 1. So this is what we are getting when you simplify this first term here. Again I'll just simplify this terms here, that is 0 plus, so 0 again plus into minus is minus, so this becomes minus 1. And again we'll just simplify the third part here, that is the third element. So this becomes 2 ones are 2, I'll take here. So this is 0 and plus 0. I hope you are getting this first row entire element. Again you just simplify the second row also. So it is 2 to the 4 plus 2 ones are 2 plus 3 ones are 3. Again go for the second term here, 2 0 0 plus this is 1 into 1 is 1 plus, you can just see here this is a plus into minus is minus here, that is the 3 ones are 3. Okay, this is the term here what we are getting. Now go for this one, 2 here, so 3 ones are 3 with plus, so plus 0 is there. Again go for the third last row, so 2 we are having, and again this is plus into minus is minus, 2 ones are 2, so plus 0 is there. Okay, we'll just substitute the 0 here. So this is actually 2 here. Now we will go for the third element. This is 0 plus into minus is minus 1. Again here it says 0 will be there. Okay, now we'll go for the third part, last one. It's a 1. So again plus into minus is minus, 3 ones are 3. So plus 0, the last one. Now this what the simplification of the matrix here, complete matrix. Now the remaining part is also a simple thing. So this is 5 is there, 4 plus 1, so this will becomes minus 1, so that is 2 here. Now this is 6 plus 3 is 9, so this will becomes minus 2, that is a plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2, the last one is 5, so this becomes 0, so this is minus 1. So just simplification here. So this is plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So this is what the A square matrix here. So this matrix is A square. So we are getting a final A square, that is after multiplying A into A. This is the A square here. Now we'll go for the 5 into A. So even after that, if I take the 6 into I, okay, then after that the remaining part is very simple thing. So now I'll just consider the 5 into A, that is a scalar multiplication here. So just only thing is you just multiply a constant 5 inside the matrix element for all the matrix elements. What we are getting here is, so this is 5 2s are 10. Just we are multiplying this 5 for all the elements here. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. Okay, again 5 2s are 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. So 5 ones are 5, 5 minus 1s are minus 5, 5 zeros are 0. So this is what we are getting, the 5A here, that is 5 times the matrix A. Now let us consider what is the 6I here. Again we know that 6I, so I is nothing but it's an identity matrix where the principal diagonal elements are all it is unity, that is the 1, but the remaining non-diagonal elements are zeros here. Now we'll go for the 6 into I. So it is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is your identity matrix. So we have to multiply with 6 here. So finally we are getting here 6 0 0, that is a 6 ones are 6. So again this will be a 0 6 0 0 0 6. So this is your 6 into I. Okay, now we got the values of A square here, so 5A and 6I. Now you just simplify all these terms here. Okay, if you just simplify, we are going to get a final solution here. let us consider what values we are getting here. You just simplify, and if you just add the matrix here, we can get the final solution. So that is, consider, so a square minus 5a plus 6i. Okay, consider this element what we have given. So a square means this matrix 5 minus 1 2 9 minus 2 plus 0 minus 1 minus 2. This is your matrix A square. Okay, now again the minus 5a. So 5a means, so this matrix we have to substitute here. So I'll consider minus 5a. So take this entire matrix over there. So 10 0 5, again take 10, this is 5, and again this is 15, and I can write this 5 minus 5 0. So this is your 5a. Again the last one is plus 6i is there, so I'll write plus 6i is your 6 0 0 0 6 0. It's a 0 0 6. This is your matrix 6i. Now you just simplify this matrix subtraction and the addition here. So I'll go for this. So consider only the corresponding elements. You have to add or subtract only the corresponding elements. So 5, I'll take 5 here, minus the first element, again 10, the first element of this one, that is a 6i. So this is the first element of the final matrix here, and again this matrix with 0, again we have to add with the 0 here. So this becomes minus 1 minus 0 plus 0. This is the second element here, and again 2 minus 5 plus 0. This is the third element of the first row, and again you can go for the second row of the matrix here. This is 9 minus this 10 plus 0. Only we are just simplifying the corresponding elements. So now go for this one, second row, second element. So this is minus 2 minus 4, that is a minus into plus, minus 5, and again plus 6. Okay, this is the second row, second column element. Now again the second row, third column, this is 5, so minus 15 plus 0. Okay, now again go for the third row column elements. This is third row, first column, 0 5 and 0 we have to consider. This is 0 minus 5 here, and again plus 0. Now again go for the third row, second column elements. This minus 1 we have to consider, this minus 5 as well as this 0. So this is your minus 1, and again you can just see here this is a minus, and again minus is there, means we have to multiply here, minus into minus plus. This is 5, the last one is this we have to take the second element, 0. Now go for the last element, that is the second third row, third column. This is minus 2, we have to take 0, and as well as the 6 we have to consider. This becomes minus 2 minus 0 and again plus 6. Okay, this is what we have just added the matrix here. Now the remaining part is very simple. You just go add the matrix here. So again this part is what, plus 5 minus 10 plus 6 is 11 plus minus 10. So this is minus 5 plus 6. I can take, this is a 11 plus 1, this is 1. Again the second part is your minus 1. The last one is also, it's a minus 3 we are getting here. The second row first column element is minus 1 again. This is minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1. So plus 5 minus 15 is minus 10. The last third column as third row, this is minus 5. So this becomes minus 1 plus 5 is your plus 4. And the last one is a minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4. So this is what the exact answer. So we have to get, that is, it's a square minus 5a plus 6i, which is given by the matrix A minus 1 minus 3, so up to 4 here. I hope you are getting this matrix. So in this matrix we can consider that, so there will be all the operations it has been included here, that is a matrix multiplication, matrix addition, matrix subtraction. If you just solve this problem, so it covers all the matrix operations here. I hope you have understood this simple problem. If you like this video, please comment your comment and share it to your friends. Thank you.